that here there's extra spaces all introduced because of the comma sign, right? So now we could try to add in the separate, the SEP section here, and then put it as just double quotation mark without any space in between. That means whenever it sees a comma here, whenever it's putting together the different values, it will not introduce a space. So let's try to run this. So you see, with and Alex doesn't have a space here because I removed the extra space I put because it was introducing that space. So now I can control where I need space. So now if I run this, you notice it is now printed perfectly. So you could make sure you get your printouts in the format that you want. So there are something called as escape sequences. So escape sequences are used to perform very specific tasks, like for example, if I say print name underscore first comma name underscore last. Okay, so now if I run this, okay, so it's printing these two lines because I have two print statements. So if I don't want to see this print for now, I could just put the hash symbol in front of it and make it as a comment. That way this line won't be printed. Okay, so I'm just going to run this again. So now I am printing two names, Alex name and the first name and the last name, which is Alex and Steve. So now if I want each name to be printed in a separate line, but I want to use only one print statement, so of course this can be achieved like this. Okay, so I could just do this and then give another print, and then I can give this. This is going to give me two lines of output. Okay, so I have two print. So how many print statements I have here is two. So first time it will print the first name, and then it will go on to the next line, print the next name. So the same effect I can get it by using escape sequences. So now let's remove this part. Okay, all right, let's run this. So you notice I'm getting the same output, but I'm using only one print statement. So name first slash n name last, and you notice that this space is basically created because of the separator, which has, you can just change it like what we did previously. I don't want any spaces there, so I could just put this way. Okay, so these are called as escape sequences. So there's also a tab. So N is for the new line and T is for tab. So if I run this, you notice it's on the same line, but there is a tab space between the two names. So you could format your output accordingly using the different escape sequences. So these are just two examples. There are a lot more escape sequences that are available, and you can look at it from the Python documentation. So these are all examples of how to use print statement. All right, now we're going to move on to see input statements.